joined the business in September 2022, joining on the Technology Services Graduate Programme. I stayed in that role for a year as a junior cloud engineer. I then progressed up into a cloud engineer, and then a year later into a senior cloud engineer. Because at Hastings there's lots of opportunities to progress. My potential was seen, and as a result of that, I could move through to different roles in the short time I've been here. On the grad programme, I went for a number of rotations, getting to see lots of different parts of CIO and the business. I got opportunities to be with different leaders, different mentors, and as a result of that, when I moved off the grad scheme into my full-time position, it was a really easy transition because I felt really welcomed into the business. I'd built lots of knowledge through my different rotations, and then I was with a friendly face when I moved through from the grad scheme into my full-time role. What's really interesting about my role is getting to work with such a broad range of technology. I'm working with Kubernetes, I'm working with AI, CI/CD pipelines, DevOps practices. I'm getting to be a technical leader in some of those things that I'm doing. I also get to support other colleagues, so junior colleagues, but also colleagues that I'm working with on a day-to-day basis. I work in a really fun and collaborative team. We work hard together, but we also have fun together. We have weekly meetings where we can just discuss things that we've got going on in our lives, work, and we also have a Fun Friday call every week where we get to play different games and activities to really bond together as a team. I think the culture at Hastings is really exciting and really interesting because we're a big company that acts like a small company. So we're a small team, but we've got big ambitions, we do big things, and we can really strive together to work towards our goal of being the UK's #1 digital insurance provider.